Hello everyone, welcome to the NXP Technology Summit Taipei 2025. I'm Ashley. Generative AI, edge computing, and IoT are changing the way we live and work. AI is making cars faster, smarter, and safer, and speeding up industrial operations and bringing us closer to a fully connected world where everything communicates in real time. And today, we'll explore NXP's latest innovations and how Taiwan continues to play a key role in NXP's global strategies. Let's get started and dive into this year's highlight. Today, we have the opportunity to hear from two top NXP executives about the future of technology innovation and Taiwan's key role. It's my pleasure to welcome Robert to join us for the interview. Hello, Robert.
Hi, Ashley.
Great to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Let's get started with our first question.
Of course.
We can say that AI is still the main driving force for technology innovation in the semiconductor industry. And from your perspective, what are the biggest AI opportunities in the next 3 years?
Definitely. We see a lot of AI advancements, these days. And you would say that there are both, growth drivers, right? There are growth drivers from the cloud and growth drivers on the edge. And particularly zooming into the edge, consumers will not trust AI until that there's a safe, secure, low power, and real-time AI capabilities on the edge. So this is exactly the capabilities of NXP, and where we're bringing a lot of our profound and foundational technologies into this one. Some of the examples include autonomous cars, but also include smart factories, energy storage, AI systems, and robotics. These are the areas that we have been really focusing on, bring our hardware, software, and AI tool chain into the technology developments. Thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful insights. Just as you mentioned, AI is driving so many changes, and we'd like to understand more about NXP's strategies. Recently, NXP has acquired lots of companies like TT Tech, Auto, Aviva Links, and Kinara. Can you share with us the strategy thinking behind these acquisitions?
We're extremely excited to actually welcome, all the companies that we have been acquiring. And they all bring in, let's say, our North Star, which is bringing intelligent system to the edge, one step forward. Specifically with TT Tech Auto, we're actually getting more than 1,000 very experienced engineers who are specialized in software-defined vehicles and safety, security in the autonomous cars. This is where we can actually merge the capability of NXP's hardware and system capability with the software capabilities of the middlewares from TT Tech to actually advance in the autonomous and software-defined vehicle developments. For Aviva Links, they're very specialized in asymmetric, high-speed data transmission. And this is a very core technology for autonomous ADAS systems, but also for high compute power in the car. So basically, with the capability of vehicle architecture of NXP and then in vehicle networking, plus the Aviva Links, that we're very proud that we can actually bring a very sophisticated and scalable vehicle architectures to the market. And furthermore, with Kinara, they're very specialized in NPUs, and this is where we're able to actually merge the capability of NXP's scalable processing technology with the NPU technology of Kinara, and not only solving customers' AI problems on the edge, but also be able to provide us an inroad into what is happening next with our customers and enable us to define better products for the future.
Yeah, wow, so cool. This acquisition strengthened NXP, but another critical part is security and reliability. And we're also curious about that. How does NXP keep edge AI safe and reliable, especially in critical environments?
That's a really great question. Actually, consumer will not really trust edge AI technologies to be really autonomous until that there's a safety and security capabilities demonstrated and certified. Specifically on security, that we have numerous technologies to make sure that we can actually have a secure boot to prevent unauthorized access to the code. We can have, for example, the firmware certification, and to make sure that also secure AI model storage, to make sure that only authorized AI models are being uploaded to our firmware. And we're also supporting the future-proof post-quantum cryptography, and which is very important, as we call PQC, for future-proof our security concept. And we also support customers with standardization and certification. Specifically for safety applications, in the end, first of all, we need to make sure that there's a backup, there's a functional safety capabilities, both in auto and also industrial applications, what we call ASIL B, ASIL C, and D in automotive, and also CO2 for industrial. We also need to make sure that when the system unfortunately fails, if it evers, that it is graceful, which is fail-safe operating mechanisms. That is super important. And on top of that, the customer requires certification and standardization. And these are the expertise of NXP. So by combining the safety and security capabilities of NXP with our system capability, this is exactly where we're pushing forward with our technology to land the cloud into the physics AI world.
Thank you, Robert, for your insightful perspective. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks, Ashley.
After seeing NXP's big picture today, the next question is, how does NXP turn technology into real business success? Let's bring in Luca for our interview to learn more. Hello, Luca. Great.
Hello. Hi, Ashley. How are you? Good.
Okay, let's get started with our questions. In the keynote, you mentioned the age of smart is over, which is surprising. Can you elaborate on this in more detail?
I like to bring it to tragedy, right? As the smart is over. Reality is that, like I expressed in my keynote, we are evolving from this age of smart. Smart was meant as an era where devices were able to capture data. So a smart device or device will run sensor fusion. So there was multiple sensors, and then all this data went to the cloud, and the cloud was elaborating the data, and then decide what to do, and eventually deploy to the device, again, the smart device, this is connected device, to do something. The evolution and the reason we say the smart era is over is because the smart device is now evolving into an autonomous device. What we want to do with this deployment of AI at the edge is to create a device which can think on its own, doesn't need to upload the data to the cloud to make decisions, and can have AI models to actually act instantaneously. So increasing speed, reducing power, reducing bandwidth, and have a trusted area where you can do all these things. Now, simplest implementation can be a fridge that automatically order food for you, but then there is more complicated nodes, the healthcare nodes, that they make very, very, very difficult decisions for either a pacemaker or even a simple diagnostic device. So when we say that the age of smart is over, we're just trying to create a moment of tragedy, so to bring it up and make it a very real important information that we're making the device autonomous now.
Wow, really a great insight. And in your keynote, you also mentioned how NXP's partners collaborate to build a transformational ecosystem.
Right.
And we also hear the message, brighter together a lot.
Yeah.
Could you give us a few examples of what that really means?
Yeah, so let me explain to you why first. So the reason that we need this brighter together concept to be fully deployed and interpreted by our partner ecosystem is that it is a very complicated world to deploy to the nodes, to the edge, and we cannot do this alone. It's impossible. So we need partners which come in different declination, from a customer to a software house to a partner university, to actually build this concept and make it a reality. We alone can develop a reference design, but for that reference design to be tested and deployed to the market, we need a lot of partners that actually buy in the concept and help us deploy it. So here in Taiwan, we have plenty of these partners. Large customers go from the Foxconn Group, FIH, Mobile Drive, Pegatron, Winstron for the automotive, We work very, very close to our industrial partners, Lighton, for example, in the power world for the data center. But we need those partners. We have distributors that are actually very strong in having development centers that take our reference design and make it into product. That's the only way that we can do it. And that's why our tagline, Brothers Together, cannot be better used than in this concept of ecosystem.
Thank you. And last questions. At today's Tech Summit, what key message do you want customers and the partners to take away?
Yeah, I think it should come kind of obvious. The Edge AI is really the reason why we're here. That's the new NXP. That's what we're going to push into the market. The Brighter Together concept is surrounding and encompassing everything. Software-defined vehicle with the co-ride and the TT Tech was a big message as well. But really, I hope that it is clear that we want to do this together with you guys. We want to do this together with you. We want to do this together with them, with you, all the people that are going to listen to that. So Brighter Together is what I hope it comes out. We have the right technology, and together we can make the world a better place.
Thank you, Luca, for your wonderful sharing.
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you. Thank you.
Besides NXP's booth, we also have NXP's partners showcasing their latest innovations. Let's check it out. Through today's discussion, we understand more about NXP's innovation roadmap and Taiwan's key role in shaping what comes next. We hope these insights inspire your new ideas and possibilities. Thank you for watching today, and we'll see you next time.